Amazing facts about the red fox. A fox's den is normally a burrow underground, also known as an earth. But they can also live above ground in a cozy hollow. While they are solitary animals, during breeding season, winter, when they court and mate, the dog fox will support the female vixen by bringing food for the family early spring. You can often hear the mating calls, which is a sharp, high-pitched shrieking, screaming noise, which can sound quite terrifying. Vixens are occasionally assisted in rearing their cubs by a non-breeding sister or a female cub from a previous litter. These aunts gain valuable experience which helps them to rear their own litter successfully the next season. Occasionally there can be 2 dog foxes associated with one vixen. The cub's eyes and ears open after 2 weeks, and at 4 weeks they will emerge from their dens. They have short noses which resemble puppies when born. However, many cubs die prematurely due to other predators, dogs, badgers, but their biggest killer is the motor vehicle. They also can die of starvation or cold during hard winters. They catch small rodents with a characteristic high pounce. This technique is one of the first things cubs learn as they begin to hunt. Foxes belong to the dog family, which includes wolves, coyotes, gray foxes, raccoon dogs and their relatives. All members of this family are incredibly adaptable animals, and this makes them successful colonizers in many areas of the world, practically in all habitats available and often in close proximity to humans. Foxes are great nighttime predators because their eyes are specially adapted to night vision. Behind the light-sensitive cells lies another layer called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the eye. This doubles the intensity of images received by the fox. Their eyes glow green when light is shown into them at night. The fox does not chew its food. Instead it uses its carnassial or shearing teeth to cut the meat into manageable chunks. A fox's range varies from 10 hectares in cities to over 2,000 hectares in rural areas. They were introduced to Australia in the mid-19th century and are native to Europe, Asia and North Africa. There are native and non-native red foxes in North America. The native foxes are the Canadian boreal forest species that historically occurs in the northern regions of North America. They colonized there shortly after the last glacial period, around 11,000 years ago. The non-native species were released by early European settlers for hunting purposes, as early as the mid-1700s. Foxes have whiskers on their legs as well as around their faces, which they use to help them find their way. Foxes have also been known to climb trees and settle on low branches.